dressed to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey loves, it's your girl, Lovely Angel Lady. L to the A to the L. Thank you for tuning into my channel. So today we are checking out a wig from Okkur Wigs. It is a 100% human hair curly girl. We are going to be looking at one of their human hair headband wigs. I'm showing you from start to finish and the packaging. You do get 2 headbands. I love the floral, the fuchsia, and the pink. Very pretty. And this yellow headband is the second one. It has stripes on it. Really cute. I love how they feel. They're definitely not cotton. They feel more like rayon. But you also get a nude wig cap. And this plastic package is inside. Uh-oh. Let's see what we got. So we have another plastic bag inside, and this one has the wig in it. Just saying that it is a Brazilian curly wig, 14 inches in length, and it is 1B30 in the color. But this color is absolutely gorgeous. We took the net off of this girl, and this is what she looks like straight out of the package. She does have 3 combs in the front, 2 near the temples, 1 in the center for needed security. So all 3 combs there. Yes, gotta make sure she stays in place. And then she has 1 comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. She is not super big head friendly, but she is like a half wig, so you should be okay either way. But that's the little elastic band with the Velcro, and this is the tag that came on the wig, just saying that she is 100% human hair. Ooh, girl, hurry up and get this wig on. So we are about to put this chica on, and I'm just showing you that it's pretty straightforward, easy to slap one of these headband wigs on and get out the door. And I love how natural they look. I kind of want my edges exposed, so I kind of pushed it back a little bit, but I did slide in the combs. And then I'm just going to put together that little strap with the Velcro. So we got her on, y'all, and the hair is not really wiry, but we're gonna have to make her flow a little bit. We're gonna go with the yellow headband. It reminds me of my TT Dana. She loves yellow. So yeah, we're gonna go with this. I thought it would be cute with this black hoodie that I'm wearing, y'all. I promise you I'm not wearing a turtleneck. This is a black hoodie. It just comes up kind of high on the neck like that. So yeah, we are rolling with this yellow headband. I'm gonna apply my Bobo's Remy leave-in conditioner spray. It's for detangling, and I love the sheen that it adds. It makes the hair more flowy without making it sticky, and it doesn't, you know, weigh it down too much. So I usually put this in every single synthetic hair piece that I have, but it's good for any type of hair. So instead of saturating with water, I went with that, and I did get a little shedding while I was running my fingers through, but nothing too bad there. We're gonna apply this Bonner Brothers foam. It's basically just a setting lotion. It's not quite as heavy as mousse would be, so it does not give it that hairspray hard feeling, but we're gonna nip the ends a little bit. I'm not cutting it, just trimming the ends a little bit to make it look neater. Just showing y'all just a little teensy bit, not going too crazy with the shears here. But I hope y'all found this video helpful. So this is her length. She's 14 inches. I love the color. The curl is so cute. It's like a deep wave curl. But here's what she looks like side view, showing y'all the back. Definitely 14 inches in length. And then yeah, y'all, so I hope y'all found this video helpful and everything. I'm gonna drop all the information in the description box for y'all below. If you have not made it official and joined the fam, girl, what are you waiting on? It's free 99. Press that subscribe button and tap the alert bell. That's all you gotta do, and you are in the fam. Do something positive for somebody, y'all. Here are the pics. And y'all stay safe out there. I'm gonna catch y'all in a few days. Y'all see we losing weight, looking cute? Yes, yes. So we got to get on that journey too. But your girl's gonna catch y'all soon. I love y'all so much. Have a blessed one, y'all. Bye bye.